Hello dear, this is Carrie from Guangzhou SIPUXIN Machinery here. Today I want to introduce the 300 liter 2-in-1 vacuum emulsifying mixer with water tank and oil tank lotion machine for cosmetic, cream and also the toothpaste products for your checking here. Okay, now let me introduce the more detailed construction of the lotion machine for your checking here. This part is the main tank. The working capacity is the 300 liter. This part is the tank body. And the desired capacity is the 360 liter. Okay. And this part is the cold type. And this part is the bottle discharge for the transfer finished products to the storage tank or to the filling machine. Another way, discharge machine, you can press the green button to put the finished products to the storage tank here or to the filling machine. You can put the storage tank here. And if finished tank, you can press the red button to reset the tank. So this is the two-way discharge finished products. And this part is the heating electric elements. And this part is also heating elements. And this part is the cooling. So you can connect the hose pipe, let the water into the jacket and the water in. And also at the top of the tank, the water out. So it can to heat and cool like this way. Okay? When you receive the machine, you can take the screwdriver to take out the screw and take out the door to see the inside. Okay, this part is the hydraulic motor, and this part is the hydraulic system, and this part is the buffer pan for the vacuum pump using. So if you need to use the hydraulic system, you need to add the hydraulic oil through the hole into the hydraulic system here before you using. Okay, this part is very important. And then follow me. Another part is also very important tips. So open the door and then to connect the hose pipe like this way. This part is the water in and through the solenoid one and transfer the hose pipe to the homogenizer, and also another way to let the water in through the solenoid to the vacuum pump to let the water in for the vacuum pump using, and also the homogenizer using. So you need to connect the water hose pipe like this way, and this part is the water outlet. So this part is the water inlet for the vacuum pump using and also the homogenizer using. This part is very important before you using the machine for production. Okay? And go for me. This part is the platform. So you can stand here to operation the whole machine. This part is the control box. And also this is a safety security lock to protect the machine. If you're missing one, so the machine cannot lifting up and down. So you need to keep the 4 lock here as the security system. When you receive the machines, you need to connect the 3-phase supply power. And this part is the electric components. And this part is we use the DC brand. And also this part is the frequency converter for the maintain, mixer, homogenizer, and dispersing the speed adjustable. And another part you can see that this switch already turned on like this way because we already connect the supply power. So the second step, you just to turn on the switch like this way, and it means that the supply power is already connected well, and the 3-phase show on like this way. And all this part is the control box. You can see the lighting and also the emergency stop and voltage, current, and also the heating. This part is the 3-frequency converter, and this part is the heating for the oil tank, water tank, and also the main tank. And this one is the homogenizer delay. You can set the homogenize time less than 5 minutes, 300 seconds. No more 5 minutes. And this part is the red button and means turn on. And this part is the red button. It means turn off. So let me show you the main tank construction for your checking as well. This part is the main tank cover. This one is the water outlet. The water inlet at the bottom of the tank, and this water outlet. So you can keep this one open during the production. And this part, if you need to discharge the material of the tank to put down the whole finished products to the storage tank, you need to open the door like this door platform like this way to keep the enough space for the main tank to pour down like this way, and you keep the storage tank to store the finished products. And finish that, you can to close like this way, reset it. Okay? Now let me construction the more details of the covering for you. This part is the manhole. You can through the glass see the inside. If you think the glass is too small to check the production, you can open like this way and see the manhole diameter. That will be more easier to check the production inside. If you need to turn on the vacuum system, you need to lock tight like this way. And this part is the CIP cleaning bowl. You can connect the hose pipe to let the water to clean the inside before production and after production. And this one is the air brush to keep the tank pressure keep balance. And this one is the spicy booking, so you can add some material or another ingredients during the production. And this one is the material inlet. You can transfer the material from the oil tank or the water tank through the material gun into the main tank. And this one is the positive to discharge the material because the machine used for the high viscosity products. So if you need to connect the positive air, you can open the positive valve to discharge the finished products. And this one is the vacuum gauge, the vacuum valve to turn on the vacuum system. And this one is the vacuum spring button. Okay, and this side is the oil tank. This is the dispersing motor. And this part is the water tank, and this one is the dispersion motor. You just need to open the oil tank and also the water tank to put the raw material into the water tank and the oil tank to put heating and put mixing and put dispersing, because the speed is very fast, about 960 RPM per minute. So you can to pre-treat the raw material before you transfer to the main tank to shorten the production time. Okay? Go this way. Let me show you how to operate the whole set material, the whole set machine here. First, you can to press the green button to let the hydraulic up and down. This one is up and this one is down. And then we also mark the important tips on the cover for you. And the lifting is forbidden under the vacuum condition. It means that if the whole tank under the vacuum consistent, you cannot press the lifting button to let the hydraulic up. This part is very important. So you can see this is the inside construction here, and the machine is very quiet without any noise. Because you can check that the capacity is the 300 capacity, the working capacity. So you just need to keep the minimum water about the 100 liter or 150 liter to protect the homogenizer and also the dispersing. Okay, you can see that. That one is the lighting. The lighting you can also to press by the control box here and this one. Like this way, so you can see the lighting. And this one is the CIP cleaning board. So it can rotation about the 360 degree. And this one is the upper homogenizer. The speed is about the 0 to 3000 RPM. And this one is the dispersing. The speed is about 0 to 1440 RPM per minute. And this one is the Helical ribbon mixing way. This construction suitable for the high viscosity products for the cosmetic cream and also the toothpaste products. So that's why we call this machine 2-in-1 vacuum emulsifying mixer for producing the cosmetic cream products and also the toothpaste products. It's very competitive, efficient solution by this construction. And this part is the scrap by the Teflon and also the side scraper and Teflon and also the bottle part with the Teflon together. Avoid to stick the material on the tank body. Okay, you can see the inside. The tank body is the contact material is the 316 stainless steel. And the jacket layer and also the outer layer we use the 304 stainless steel. And also you can see the inside the electrical temperature knobs at the bottom of the tank. And also the tank with the cold tie, so it can ensure you can discharge about 300 capacity batch products by the tank. Okay, so let me show you how to operate the mixer, homogenizer and dispersing by the control box here. Now first step, let me hydraulic go down the system to close the cover. You can see that because the maintain lack of the material and lack of the water, because we can transfer the raw material from the water tank and also the oil tank through the vacuum system into the main tank. So we just to transfer the material through the material gun. So you can take the material gun from the water tank and also the oil tank. You can It's up to you. So you can take the oil tank or water tank to transfer the material through the tank. Before you transfer the material, you need to turn off the ball valve. It means that this air breath you need to turn off like this way. And this one is the SIP cleaning ball. You also need to close it like this way. And this one is also the air breath. The ball one you also need to close it. And this one is the manhole. You also need to close it. Because we need to turn on the vacuum to transfer the material into the main tank. Okay, like this way to load the manhole. And this one is the positive ball valve for discharge material. So this one you just need to close it. And this one is the vacuum gauge ball valve. So we keep this one open and keep this one material inlet open. And this one is open now, and this one is open now. So keep this one and this one open. All the ball valves we keep closed in. And then you can press the vacuum green button, this one. This is the vacuum gauge. And you can see this one is the water tank to transfer the material from the water tank to the main tank, like this way. This part we call it transfer the material from the water tank and to the oil tank, like this way, to transfer to the main tank. So actually you can see the inside. The water already transferred through the material gun into the main tank right now. If you think the material already finished down to the main tank, you can store it. If you want to store it, you just need to press the vacuum pump to store it. And then to close the ball valve. To store the material, continue to transfer into the main tank. And then to take the material gun, keep it here. So the main tank already transferred the material into the main tank. Now we can start to the mixer, homogenizer and dispersing for your checking here. Now let me show you how to operate the mixer, homogenizer and also the dispersing for your checking one by one. First, let me show you the the mixer, homogenizer, and dispersing, how to operate for your checking one by one. Now first, take the mixer first, press the red button, and turn the speed to the right side. The agitator is working right now. So you can through the manhole, the glass like this way. The agitator is working right now. So if you think the manhole glass is too small to check the inside production, you can open the manhole. Okay, like this way to see the inside. So the agitator is working right now. If you want to stop the agitator, you can rotating the speed to the left side to the 0 and then to press the red button. Now, second step, to test the homogenizer, press the green button and set the speed to the right side. So you can see the homogenizer is working right now. The speed is very fast, about 0 to 3000 RPM per minute, suitable for the high viscosity products. Okay, now let me turn off the homogenizer to the left side to the 0. And then to press the red button. Okay, the last one for the dispersing. Press the green button and turn the dispersing speed to the right side. And go back to the manhole. To see the dispersing is working right now. This part is also suitable for the high viscosity products. The speed is about 0 to 1440 RPM per minute. So this whole machine is suitable for the high viscosity products for the cosmetic cream and also toothpaste products, something like these products. Okay, now allow me go back the control box to rotating the speed to the 0 line. And then to press the red button. And this part is the heating temperature. Now we setting the temperature up to the 38 degree, from the 34 degree heat to up to the 48. Regarding the temperature for the heating tank, water tank, and also the main tank, you can set the temperature based on your production up to the temperature as you wish, like this way. Okay, so you can set the temperature. This part is the operation for the mixer, homogenizer, dispersing, and also the heating temperature, and also the water tank and oil tank dispersing. This one is the vacuum pump. So you just need to press the green button. So you can see that the vacuum gauge is working right now. So you need to keep all these ball one closed here, this one closed, this one closed, this one closed, this manhole closed here, and this material inlet closed, and this positive ball one closed. Just need this one open. This one is the vacuum ball one. To the first step, press the vacuum pump green button, and the second step to turn off the ball one. So now the vacuum gauge is working right now. If you want to start it, so you just need to press the vacuum green button, and the second step to turn off the ball valve. So the vacuum gauge is keep the dish place, keep the data like this way. It means that the tank already keep the vacuum condition. It can remove the bubbles because the product will occur some bubbles, so you can to turn on the vacuum system to remove the bubbles. So if you want to release the vacuum, so you can turn on the ball valve or keep this one, open this one to release the vacuum to keep the tank pressure keep balance. So you can see this vacuum gauge display is reset to the 0, and then the hose hydraulic system you can up and down. So you can to waiting for the vacuum gauge display to the 0, and then you can to hydraulic the system to discharge the finished product if you finish down the production. So this hose is the vacuum system for the production to produce the cosmetic cream and also the toothpaste products like this way. Once you finish down the whole production, you need to discharge the finished products. You can to press the hydraulic lifting to see the production of the inside products. And then you need to open the platform to keep the maintain enough space. And then regarding the discharge material, you have the two ways for discharging the finished products. The first way, you can connect the hose pipe to the storage chain. This one is the storage chain, and to turn off the ball valve and transfer the hose pipe to the storage chain. And another way, you can to set the green button to pull down the material to the storage tank here, because this one is the little bit tank, and to set like this way. Okay, so you put the storage tank here, and all the finished products will pour down to the storage tank. And if finished that, to reset the red button. Okay, reset like this way, and the hydraulic system can close down. And if everything already finished done, you need to start to clean the whole machine immediately, because you need to protect the machine and keep the machine tidy. So this part is also important here. So today, we already finished all the wholesale products from the wholesale of the whole. Today we already introduced all the construction of the wholesale machine here. This part, main tank and also the water tank and oil tank and also the platform, and also how to operate the wholesale machine products. So if you have any more questions, please contact with us here. Thank you so much for checking here. Take care. Bye bye.